Reading webcomics with voice recognition can sometimes be challenging. Most webcomics do include useful buttons at the top, at the same coordinates, enabling you to easily click Next and click Next by leaving the cursor in the same position. But occasionally you need to move down the page, and when you do that you then have to say press home and to get back here and then clicking. And occasionally you want to read a previous comic, which means giving commands to move the mouse, clicking there and then coming back here later, and so on. In this video I'll demonstrate setting up a voice recognition profile in VoiceAttack for reading XKCD efficiently. I've listed all the commands I think I'll need. It goes through the obvious buttons first. Then I have these things which highlight the mouse over text, which people have various names for, so I've included several in case I forget, and use one of the other ones. Page up and page down and space are useful. Pressing the cursor keys a certain number of times is essential in all webcomics. For example, if the bottom of a panel is only just out of view, then pressing down once or twice will move it back into view and help you finish reading the comic, which is a lot better than moving the whole page down and then you've lost the top of that panel. I've read XKCD for some years, so I know that occasionally there are comics which allow you to zoom in by left clicking. The problem with this is that you then also need to click back, or alternatively use the keyboard shortcut for the given browser. So I'll be making a voice command for click, and one for back, which in Google Chrome is Alt and the left arrow key. All of this stuff is at the top of each comic and not necessarily what you want to read in that comic. But 5 presses of the down arrow key will move the title to the top and bring the whole comic into focus, and this reduces the chance that you'll need to use page down or down and then a number to see the rest of the comic. So if I assume I'm going to press down 5 times every time I see a new comic, then it makes sense to proceed each of these commands with home, so that it goes to the top and then uses these clicking locations. I'll be making this profile using Windows Speech Recognition and Voice Finger. I'll also not be introducing options for these links in the top left, because each of those are a different context to just reading the webcomic. And the What If series is another set of comics which have the navigation buttons in different locations, so it would need its own profile. The end goal of this is that if you found a new webcomic you liked, you'd be able to read all or almost all of it much more efficiently than by using standard voice recognition systems. This then saves a huge amount of time and makes the reading experience much more enjoyable. Start listening. Mouse. North. X-ray India. Keyboard. Create new profile. Backspace. Keyboard. X-ray Kilo Charlie Delta. Delete that. X-ray Kilo Charlie Delta. New command. Backspace. First comic. Click mouse. 2. OK. Move. Application window coordinates. Set position. Stop listening. I'm just going to test if I can actually press F8. Start listening. Press F8. Press F8. Apparently not. Mouse. Sierra Papa. Sierra Papa. Sierra P. Keyboard. Stop listening. I'm not sure it matters which key I use here, given it's only used in the context of setting a position. Start listening. Press Q. OK. Switch to XKCD. Mouse. Click nothing. North. Delta Charlie. Keyboard. Press Quebec. Mouse. X-ray mic. Keyboard. OK. OK. Click OK. Mouse. South. X-Ray Quebec. Sierra Golf. Keyboard. OK. Click key press. Press home. OK. Up. Click up. 1. OK. Pause. Click add pause. Press 1. OK. Pause. 2. 1. OK. Press Ctrl Charlie. Press down. Paste. Click mouse. 3. OK. Click, click. Click OK. Click OK. Mouse. Hotel Charlie. Keyboard. Click right. Duplicate. Press home. Last. Click left. Mouse. Golf 5. Keyboard. Right 1. Backspace 3. Capital L. Cap Lima. Delete that. Press Shift Lima. Alpha. Click mouse. 2. OK. Enter. Set position. Click set position. Switch to XKCD. Mouse. North. Click nothing. Mike Charlie. Keyboard. Press Quebec. Mouse. South. X-Ray Quebec. Tango Quebec. Keyboard. Click OK. Click OK. New command. Backspace. Dictation. Down 5 times. Click key press. Press down. Click OK. Click down. Mouse. Cancel. Mouse. Kilo Bravo. Kilo Alpha. Keyboard. Copy. Paste. 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 Click OK. Mouse. South. Kilo Charlie. Keyboard. Enter. Click Other. Mouse. South. Delta Delta. Keyboard. Right 1. Right 1. Up 1. Enter. Down 1. Right 1. Enter. Click OK. Click Execute. 1. OK. Press Ctrl Charlie. Click OK. Down 1. Enter. Mouse. Juliet Echo. Keyboard. Paste. Click OK. Mouse. Hotel Delta. keyboard, click right, click duplicate, home, mouse, India 5, keyboard, press home, random, delete first, mouse, Juliet Bravo, keyboard, enter, click set position, click set position, switch to XKCD, mouse, north, click nothing, Hotel Charlie, press Quebec, X-Ray Romeo, Tango Mike, keyboard, click OK, click OK, switch to Notepad, switch to VoiceAttack, mouse, Kilo Echo, keyboard, stop listening. For the commands previous and next, I've put the option of saying comic or saying nothing, because then it's just a single word command to see the next comic. And I put 2 words for the other ones because you don't want to say them by accident. Start listening. Click right. Click duplicate. Press home. Previous. Delete next word. Keyboard. Open the square bracket. Semicolon. Go after comic. Close square bracket. Click mouse. To OK. Enter. Click set position. Click set position. Switch to XKCD. Mouse. North. Click nothing. Foxtrot Charlie. Press Quebec. X-Ray Romeo. Sierra Kilo. Keyboard. Click OK. Click OK. Mouse. Kilo Echo. Keyboard. Click right. Click duplicate. Press home. Next. Delete previous. Mouse. India Bravo. Keyboard. Enter. Click set position. Switch to XKCD. Mouse. North. Click nothing. Kilo Charlie. Press Quebec. X-Ray Romeo. Sierra Kilo. Keyboard. Click OK. Click OK. Switch to Notepad. Stop listening. I'm going to do the hover text last because that's the one that might need a bit of calibration. So these other ones are just fairly standard things that don't involve mouse coordinates. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Click New Command. Page. Press backspace. Pages. Backspace. Alpha. Golf. Backspace. Backspace. Dictation. Pages are up. delete R, delete that, delete R, left one word, delete that, stop listening. Sometimes it's hard to be precise with Windows speech recognition. Start listening. Go after pages. Backspace. Delete next word. Click key press. Press page up. Click OK. Click OK. Click new command. Press backspace. Pages are down. Go after pages. Backspace. Delete next word. Click key press. Press page down. Click OK. Click OK. Click new command. Backspace. Space. Stop listening. This is the classic problem in voice recognition. How do you just say the word space? And basically you have to say space and a thing like spacecraft or spaceman and delete the end of the word. Or use space as a noun. Start listening. Backspace. Go into space. Delete go into. Click key press. Space. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Click new command. Backspace. Back. Click key press. Press Alt left. Click OK. Click OK. Click new command. Backspace. Clicking. Backspace. 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 Click mouse. To OK. Click click. Click OK. Click OK. Click new command. Backspace. Keyboard. Open square bracket. Uniform. P. Backspace. Backspace. Papa. Press P. Semicolon. Dictation. Down. Cancel. Down. Cancel. Spacebar down. Delete spacebar. Close square bracket. Space. Open square bracket. Keyboard. 1. Full stop. Period. 1. 0. Close square bracket. Click Other. Right 1. Click left. Down 1. Down 4. Right 1. Down 3. Enter. Input. Tab. Tab. Open curly bracket. Shift C. Shift mic. Shift delta. Close curly bracket. Click OK. Click Other. Down 5. Right 1. Down 1. Enter. Counter. Click another variable. Click Convert Text Token. To OK. Open curly bracket. Shift Tango. Shift X-ray. Shift Tango. Shift November. Shift Uniform. Shift Mike. Colon. Shift India. November. Papa. uniform. Left 1, P. Delete that. Backspace. Press P. Right 1, Tango. Close curly bracket. Click OK. Click Other. Down 5, right 1. Down 3, enter. Direction. Tab 2. Open curly bracket. Shift Tango, Shift X-ray, Shift Tango, Shift Alpha, Shift Lima, Shift Papa, Shift Hotel, Shift Alpha, backspace, backspace. Shift Lima, Shift Papa, Shift Hotel, Shift Alpha, colon, Shift India, November, Papa. Press P, uniform, Tango. Close curly bracket. Click Trim Spaces. Click OK. Click Other. Down 5, right 1. Down 8, down 2, right 1. Enter. Click Text. Direction. Tab 2. Tab. Up. Uniform. P. Click OK. To OK. Click Other. Down 5. Right 1. Down 9. Down 1. Down 1. Right 1. Enter. Direction. Delete that. Direction. Tab 3. Down. Delta. Oscar. Whiskey. November. Click OK. To OK. Click Other. Down 5. Right 1. Down 14. Right 1. Enter. Click Integer. Counter. Tab. Down. Down 2. Up 1. Up 1. Up 1. Up 1. Mouse. North. East. 8 Foxtrot. Keyboard. Greater than. Click Greater than. Down 5. Up 1. Enter. Click OK. To OK. Click key press. Press down. Click OK. Click OK. Click Other. Down 5. Right 1. Down 1. Enter. Counter. Click Computed Value. Tab. Click Add. Tab. Down 1. Tab. Click 0. mouse, Alpha November, keyboard, backspace, 1, click OK, mouse, Lima Echo, keyboard, press Shift up, press Shift up, press Shift up, press Ctrl Charlie, click up, mouse, cancel, click equals, 1, OK, press Ctrl Victor, down 2, up 3, up 1, enter, press up, click OK, click OK, click New Command, backspace, open square bracket, dictation, mouse, cancel, keyboard, dictation, mouse over, correct mask, 2 OK, copy mouse over, delete that, semicolon mouse, over, go after mouse, OK, delete next character, press end, semicolon text, semicolon subtitle, semicolon hover text, correct text, 2 OK, close square bracket, click mouse, 2 OK, click move, click application window coordinates, click set position, switch to XKCD, mouse, click nothing, India Echo, keyboard, press Quebec, stop listening. The thinking here is to move the cursor onto the comic, but without clicking on anything. Start listening. Mouse. X-Ray Quebec. Sierra Kilo. Keyboard. Click OK. Click OK. Click Done. Switch to VoiceAttack. Click Done. Mouse. Mark left. Victor Golf. Mike Golf. Mike Kilo. Keyboard. Press Alt F2. Mouse. East. Whiskey Kilo. Keyboard. Stop listening. Start listening. Switch to XKCD. Stop listening. Next. Next. Last comic. Mouse over. Previous. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Mouse. West. X-Ray Kilo. November Hotel. Keyboard. Stop listening. Stop listening. So there are two problems. One is that the down 5 times command going at the end of every click is pressing down while the page is still loading, so actually it will need to wait about let's say half a second before it starts pressing the keys. And the other one is that the hover text isn't doing anything. Now, going back to a live experiment, if I move the mouse on it and then stop, the text appears immediately. Whereas when it was suddenly underneath, press Ctrl Romeo, stop listening. So that's refreshed the page, I think, but the text isn't appearing yet. So moving the mouse onto the comic and stopping showed the hover text, but refreshing the page with the cursor in a stationary position did not. So I think if we just make the mouse move a tiny amount whilst it's on the comic, then it might get registered. I appreciate that I gave it a move command and it moved from wherever it was directly onto the comic, and perhaps that was too quick, or it was too large of an action to be detected. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Up 4, down 1, enter. Click pause. Down 1, enter. Press 5, click OK. Mouse. Romeo Alpha. Keyboard. Click 1, click 1. Cancel. Click left. Click left, click left, click left. Click OK. Down 3. Enter. Click mouse. 3 OK. Click move. Click move left. Press 2. Click OK. Click OK. Click done. Mouse. X-ray kilo. Papa Delta. Keyboard. Stop listening. Previous comment. Hover text. First comment. Hover. Hover. Next. Hover. Hover text. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Mouse. X-ray kilo. November Hotel. Keyboard. Stop listening. Again, the hover text isn't quite working, but when I repeated it, it did. So, as a lazy fix, I'm going to just repeat the 2 commands that are already in it. And that way it will jiggle left and right 3 times. Start listening. Enter. Click Application. Press Shift down. Press Ctrl Charlie. Down 1. Press Ctrl Victor. Click OK. Click Done. Mouse. X-ray kilo. Quebec Charlie. Keyboard. Stop listening. Next. Hover. Previous. Text. Text. Next. Next. Text. Text. Previous. Text. It's still not working right. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Mouse. X-ray kilo. November Hotel. Keyboard. Enter. Click position. 1, OK. Enter. Click move left. Tab. Backspace. Press 1. Click relative data. Click OK. Down 1. Delete. Delete. Press up. Click pause. Down 1. Enter. Press 1. Click OK. Click OK. Click Done. Mouse. X-ray Kilo. Sierra Charlie. Stop listening. Start listening. Keyboard. Stop listening. Next. Text. Next. Text. Next. Text. I solved the problem of the text not appearing because it just needed a short pause between moving to that position and then slightly moving after that. But then it wasn't hitting the very thin comic previously because it was calibrated for when it's at the top of the page rather than after it's pressed down 5 times. So I just have to adjust that coordinate. Start listening. Switch to VoiceAttack. Mouse. November Hotel. Keyboard. Enter. Click Application. Enter. Click Set Position. Click Set Position. Switch to XKCD. Mouse. Click Nothing. Hotel 7. Cancel. Press Quebec. X-ray Kilo. X-ray Kilo. X-ray Quebec. Sierra Sierra. Keyboard. Click OK. Click Done. Click Done. Switch to XKCD. Stop listening. Stop listening. Next. Text. Next. Text. Last. Last comic. Previous. 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 Text. And there you go. Over 2,000 comics, and I should be able to read all of them. And just to demonstrate the ones like these. Text. Click. 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 Back. Next. I do know there are a few much more complicated comics that the artist has occasionally done, but as I said, for almost all of them you'll be able to use these buttons and get through it, and the same principle is applicable to almost any webcomic you find. And it makes the reading experience much more enjoyable.